Sa naging interview ni MJ Felipe sa ating Chinite Princess at multimedia idol na si Kim Chu matapos lumabas ang teaser trailer ng first debut movie ng Kim Pao, na My Love Will Make You Disappear, ay aminado mga si Kimi na nakakaramdam siya ng konting pressure matapos ang mga naging blockbuster movies na Unhappy For You ng Josh Lia at Hello Love Again ng Kat Den. Ayon nga sa naging article ng ABS-CBN. A teaser clip of her upcoming film, My Love Will Make You Disappear, with Avelino, premiered during the ABS-CBN Christmas special. It's set to screen in cinemas in February next year. Asked if they're done filming, Chu said, "No, not yet. So wala munang bakasyon this December. Shooting muna kami." She admitted that they're feeling the pressure, being the opening salvo of Star Cinema for next year, following the box office success of its recent projects, Unhappy For You and Hello Love Again. Ayon nga sa mga netizens, na wala dapat ikabahala sina Kimi at Daddy Paolo dahil gagawin ng mga Kim Pao fandoms ang lahat at ipapakita ang kanilang full support upang maging sure blockbuster hit ang My Love Will Make You Disappear.